Today we're looking at the ZINUS Shalini. This is one of Amazon's best-selling platform beds. It comes with all you need for assembly. Assembly time is about 30 minutes. And it's an absolutely incredible bed frame. Now you can put a box spring on it, but that's not required. It's easy to assemble, has sturdy construction, and an elegant diamond pattern stitching. It's chic and sophisticated. It's durably designed with interior steel framework, dense foam padding, and great wood slats to support over 700 pounds total. Available with Amazon Prime, that means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. Plus, pick up the 5-year Indoor Furniture Accident Protection Program from Amazon for just a few dollars more. Go ahead and order today. This one's absolutely fantastic. It's available in 3 colors: full, queen, king, and twin.